This is how we load up the custom 120 horsepower jet boat. First we all push the boat and trailer onto the rental trailer. The jet pump prop does not fit, so we remove it. Once we close the gate, we say can't believe it fits. Then we strap the boat to the rental trailer. It only takes 2 straps to secure. Then we strap the trailer tinge to the other trailer tinge. Then it looks sick on the trailer, so we take a picture. Then we make super slow and wide turns. Yes, it's a 7.3 F 250 with an ATV, 2 trailers, and a boat. Now a 3-hour drive home follows.